This is question number 30 from the August 2017 Geometry Regents exam. We're given two different triangles here, and it says that a sequence of rigid motions maps angle A onto X. So we know that these two angles are identical. Angle C onto angle Z, so we know those two angles are identical. And also that AC goes onto XZ, so this and this are congruent. Determine and state whether BC is congruent to YZ and explain why. Okay, well, we do know that angle A is congruent to angle X and that angle C is congruent to angle Z and the line AC is congruent to XZ. Based on that, we can conclude from it being angle side angle that the two triangles are congruent. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle XYZ. We could also mention that because it's a sequence of rigid motions, we do know that rigid motion always preserves distance in angles. So that would be worthwhile to explain, mention in your explanation as well. But in the end, we can conclude that the line from B to C is congruent to the line from Y to Z. And that is due to the fact that corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent, or the good old acronym CPCTC. Okay, and that's all that's needed for that explanation. That's all for the video, and thanks for visiting JD's Regents Preparation.